Today we will learn how to create a custom brush with photo in Adobe Photoshop. We have removed the background from the photo. Go to the toolbar. Click on the elliptical marquee tool. Select the photo. Click on the layer menu. Go to new. Click on a layer via cut. You can see that the photo has become round. Go to the edit menu. Click on the define brush preset. Type the brush name. Click on the OK button. Take a new layer. Click on the brush setting. Increase the spacing as need. Click on the foreground color to change the brush color. Thanks for watching the video.